Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to Jafar E Tutor. Learning the Quran is one of the greatest blessings Allah gives to a believer. Whether you are a complete beginner, a busy parent, a revert to Islam, or someone returning to the Quran after many years, this channel is created to help you learn with clarity, confidence, and understanding. Today we begin our journey together. One of the biggest misconceptions is, I'm too old. I never learned. My pronunciation isn't good. I don't have enough time. None of these should stop you. Every expert was once a beginner. Allah rewards every sincere effort. Even if reading feels difficult today, every letter you learn brings reward. The important thing is consistency, not perfection. Many beginners make these mistakes, trying to finish quickly, ignoring pronunciation, skipping Tajweed, comparing themselves with others, feeling embarrassed. Remember, Allah looks at sincerity. Learning slowly with correct pronunciation is far better than rushing without understanding. Every small improvement matters. Choose one fixed time every day. Even 10 minutes is enough. Read after Fajr or after Isha. Keep your Quran in a place where you can see it. Ask Allah for consistency. Progress comes from regular practice, not long study sessions once a week. The Quran changes hearts. It brings peace during hardship, hope during sadness, guidance during confusion. No matter where you begin, today is a beautiful day to take your first step. May Allah make us among the people of the Quran, those who learn it, live by it, and teach it to others. Ameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.